got your girl in the color she chooses.
Squad going up. Nobody
Hi friends, it's Nyra. Welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, what's up homegirl or homeboy? Thanks for watching. Today's video is going to be a natural everyday makeup tutorial, something you could wear to work or to a job interview. It's going to be really simple and really pretty, kind of like a no makeup look. Before I get into anything in this tutorial, I just want to say shout out to all my LGBTQ plus viewers, subscribers, even if you just clicked on this video just because you thought the look was cool or you just want to see what I did. Shout out to you. You guys are so brave and so amazing. Thank you for being such an inspiration to me as a person and to the makeup community, to pop culture. Like, you guys so don't get enough credit. And I am a proud ally of the LGBTQ plus community. This is a safe space for you, regardless of gender, ethnicity, race, anything. I don't care who you are or what you are. As long as you have a loving, good heart, you are a friend of mine. If you're new here, go ahead and subscribe and follow me on my Instagram, because my Instagram's kind of popping. It's kind of popping or whatever. And now let's get right into this super extra tutorial. Alright, so I'm starting with my Morphe 35V palette. This is like the only palette I ever need for colorful looks. I was looking to purchase some makeup recently, and I was like, I literally don't need makeup. I don't need another colorful palette because this is everything in one. This is all I need. It's my dog right here. I'm going to prime my lids with some concealer, and then I'm going to go into this eye with red, orange, and yellow. I'm going to start with this eye just because I always do. I don't have a reason. I don't have to explain myself. I'm an adult. If you guys never learned this, if you want to remember the order of the alphabet, you remember the name Roy G. Biv, because Roy is red, orange, yellow. Green is the mid color in the rainbow. And then Biv is blue, indigo, violet. Cool, right? Uh-oh, where am I gonna put the green? This might be a rainbow without green. I'll put the green on the inner corners of both eyes, okay? We need green somewhere. And do the cut crease part on this eye. Everybody just say a prayer. Honestly, just say a prayer for me, because this ain't gonna be easy and it's not gonna be pretty, probably. My crease is a lot higher than the crease that I'm gonna be faking with this look. So while I wait for the concealer to dry, I literally cannot move or breathe deep, and I shouldn't be talking either, so I'm gonna stop. Alright, now that my cut crease is finished and I don't want to dye, I'm going to go into this shimmery yellow and apply that on the inner part of my lid. Then I'm going in with the same orange and the same red as the crease colors, and I'm gonna blend that out. So it's like a half cut crease. Now I'm gonna move on to my right eye. My left eye looks much better than anticipated, so I'm excited about the right. Like I said, I'm doing blue, indigo, violet on this eye, and we'll see if I can fit in green. If not, then Now again, I'm going to let my right eye dry so that I don't ruin it and then want to hurt other people. Now that I've finished both eyes, I just got an idea, and it's a good one. I'm going to do glitter on the yellow and on the blue. Fun, right? Now that the eyes are finished and they're absolutely gorgeous, I think this is one of my favorite looks I've ever done, which is fitting because rainbows are beautiful and Pride Month is a month of magic. I'm gonna go ahead and move on to the face. I'm gonna be just, you know, speeding through that because there's nothing I can do on my face that's gonna excite you more than this eyeshadow. I need to clean my eyebrows back up because for some reason they look stupid. So I'm just gonna fix my brows before I look stupid. And I'm in love with it. I'm actually shocked at how well this turned out. Thank you guys for watching and happy Pride Month to the LGBTQ plus community. Please know that my channel is a safe space for all of you brave people. It is not easy to be someone as unique and colorful as you in this day and age, and I support you 100, 1,000, 1,000,000%. And thank you. Thank you for just being yourself. Thank you for being inspiration to me as a person and to the makeup community. You guys are amazing. Leave me a like and a comment down below if you enjoyed this video. And subscribe to your girl if you want to see more videos like this one. And I'll see you in the next video.